Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find purchases list on your Google Chrome. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, and it's going to show for your list like this. And all you have to do now is to just click here on settings, and it's going to take here to settings window, and you just click here on sync. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you just go down here and you click here on Google Activity Controls. Then it's going to take you to next step here, and all you have to do is to just go down, you click here on say all activity controls here and down, and you keep going down here, you click here on go to your Google account. So then you just it's going to take you in this window, you go up, you swipe right here, and you click here on payments and subscriptions here, and you go down. So then you come here to purchases, you will click here on manage purchases here, and here you will find all purchases. So I have no purchases, but if you will have it, you will find it here in this window. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.